Mirugi edition muthenya wa umuthi aririo 24th March niatanyitwo gukorwo agicokio igoti-ini. Remember, he has been in police custody ever since gikuo gia Pastor Elizabeth. Mirugi edition no akorirwo akiripoti na gukorwo akitwara mwiri wake police station, no kuria bakorirwo makirega mwiri ucio na agikorwo akigutwara Kikuyu mochari. No thutha ucio maabitha a borithi ni macokire kumuikia ngono thutha wao nginya guthie mucii gwake. Mirugi edition was then arrested na he has been in police custody, na ona nginya just the other day ni arakoretwo akinyio igoti-ini, his first appearance in court. Na ona nginya thutha ucio, even after his appearance in court, Mirugi edition ndakorirwo wa kurekererio. He still remains under police custody. Na riu muthenya wa umuthi aririo 24th March, Mirugi edition will make another appearance in court. Na umuthi niguo Mirugi edition na wakiri wake megukorwo makimenya kana his application to be released on bond was accepted or rejected, todo it is when a ruling will be made on the application of Mirugi edition to be released on bond. Na koguo muthenya wa umuthi Mirugi edition is going back to court. Na ni undu ugietereirwo muno ni a Kenya onao makienda kumenya the fate of Mirugi edition, todo muthenya wa umuthi is when Mirugi edition will know kana ni agukorwo akirekererio na bodi kana he still remains in custody of police. Na Akenya magakiuga ni metereire muno onao kuona how this ruling will go. Oho makienda kumenya what progress has been made in Pastor Elizabeth's death investigation, na magagieterera muno kuona how this ruling will go na how this court proceeding will go ino ya Mirugi edition today as he goes back to court. Kana ni ekurekererio kana eguthie ona mbere guikara rumande umuthi ariguo this ruling will be made. Na koguo Akenya magagithie ona mbere gweterera, na onete tugathie na mbere gweterera kuona kana Mirugi edition ni ekurekererio kana he remains in police custody. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.